I don't want it to wiggle. Okay. On the first beam, yellow is gonna push the ball, aka the big gumdrop, down the beam and into the bucket. Yep. Into it again. Green will do passe walk, holding the ball over their head and then drop it into the bucket when they get down to the end. And then red will do bunny hops with it until they get to the end and drop it in there. Next. Everyone will hula hoop on the line, or try to. A for effort is all we need. On the carpet beam, yellow's gonna do the cartwheel drill over it. So start on one side, hands on the beam, hop your feet to the other side. Green's gonna do arabesque hold on each leg for 5 seconds. You can either do airplane arms or hands on hips. Either one is totally fine. And then red's gonna do pivot turns each direction. So have them turn one way and the other way before they come down. Don't move their feet. And then, are you going to the tunnel? Okay, we're gonna figure out how to keep these stood up. They keep falling, but we will figure it out. They're gonna crawl through these, everyone will. There's gonna be ribbons tied and a whole bunch of other stuff tied. So they look like peppermints. And then that's the tunnel. Everyone's doing that one, there's no variation. On the second blue beam, there will be laminated pieces of candy, that way they cannot mess them up, and we are going to tape them to the beam all around the sides again, that way they cannot get messed up. But when the pieces are on there, they're going to jump as high as they can and then try and land on the beam where the candy pieces are, so they have to crush them. And then green will do the same thing, except they're doing it on 1 foot. Oh, dang. And then red will do, the same thing, jump on 1 foot. So up onto the high beam. The cones will have tissue paper and cotton balls in them, all tied up and glued together. And then the inside of the cones will be taped. They'll hold them upside down so it'll look like cotton candy. It shouldn't fall out with the tape, but if it does, we can always make more. So they'll walk across forwards, just flat-footed, not dropping them. And then green will do passe. Oh, no. I always do this. Walk forward and releve for green, not passe. I always assume it's passe. And then red is going to do grapevine. So they're going to hold them and try and move sideways. Try not to tell the children that the cotton candy will not fall out. Try and tell them not to drop the cotton candy out of the cone, because I feel like as soon as they figure out it's not gonna fall out, they're just gonna start flinging it everywhere. So just kind of keep that part a secret.